guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix hair washing machine that won't spin. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, if you're having problems with your washing machine here and it's not spinning, there are a few things that you can try here to probably solve this issue. Now, one of them is you want to check the drain pump filter. Now, sometimes the washer won't spin because the drain pump filter is clogged. So you want to locate the small door at the bottom front of the washer. So you want to open and access the filter. Now you want to remove that filter and check for any blockages like lint, hair, or small items. Now clean it thoroughly and put it back in securely. Even if your washer seems to be draining, this is still worth checking. Now, in this case, another thing that you could do here is you want to inspect the drain hose, or in this case, for proper placement. Now, you want to check your hose here, so you want to see if it's actually too far too pushed too far into the standpipe here. If so, it might be creating like siphon effect here, which in this case interferes with the washer's ability to drain properly. Now you want to put it back slightly to ensure it's inserted just part way. Now also you want to check if it's kink or crimped. So in this case, you want to make sure that the hose has a smooth or path for the water to flow. So straighten out any bends that you can see on your water hose here. Now, in this case, if none of those actually work, then it means the problem is a lot bigger or a lot deeper here, which in this case, it is recommended to contact the official website or customer service for you to fix this problem. So you want to go to Hair's official website here, which is hairappliances.com, and you want to go to contact us at the very top section here. And from then on, you just want to contact them regarding an issue. So, for example, if you're an existing appliance owner here, you could call them on the following numbers, Mondays to Friday at the following times ET. Now, for Canadian residents, it might be different. You need to go to their official website or for you to see the contact details. But you can also contact them via email and also write to them to the following address. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.